All right, I'm Steve.
I'm Tina.
And we're the Wunderlust Travelers. All right, we're getting ready to head out of town. Gotta guess where we're going.
So worth getting fast tracked because the line is crazy here.
Get fast tracked. That's a tip.
Totally worth
Pro
it.
tip.
So,
Pro tip. So hey, don't forget to subscribe to that thing, the bell, that bell thing, or whatever. Subscribe to our stuff, and we'll see you later. We'll see you on the other side. Beach Airport. Again, like and subscribe. If you like what we're going to be doing, we're doing something different with our videos on YouTube. So if you like it, make a comment below. See ya. All right, we're finally making it. On our way. Shortly, we'll be somewhere warm and sunny weather. Yes. Okay. Looks like we made it.
sunshine, warm weather.
It's after 8 o'clock at night, but that's okay. The sun's still up. Nobody's at the airport, so we'll see where we go.
Good morning, y'all. We are in beautiful Southern Portugal.
Yes, it's day one of our trip here to the Algarve, and we're going to go down to the little town of Carvoeiro. I'm not sure exactly if I'm saying it right, but hey, I give it a good stab. But we're going to go down there and take a walk around, see what they've got, and we'll see. It looks like a very nice day today. Looking forward to it.
Yep, and the Wunderlust Travelers are going to have a fantastic time, so like and subscribe if you like our video.
Do it. Down below. You know that thing, the bell, dingy dingy. All right, see you soon.
Hi y'all, it's Stephen and Tina from the Wunderlust Travelers, and we're here in Portugal. We're on the Carvoeiro. I think that's how you say
Portuguese.
it. On the boardwalk, and we're going to have a fun-filled day walking the town, and we're going to go see some caves.
Okay, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, but we're in the area called a Seco. So there's a nice boardwalk, and there's little caves everywhere. We have a nice little cool area where the water's coming through. Yeah, it's beautiful. Take it through here. The walkway's up there. Tina's up there somewhere. We have all the caves to walk around. It's all right, we're having fun. It's a great time to come down here.
Good morning, y'all, and happy day 3. We have been out traveling for the Wunderlust travelers.
Yep, we're at Marinha Beach. I think that's the name of it. A lot of people do kayaking out here. It's actually really calm today, so it's beautiful. Looking forward to walking down on the beach and walking back on the cliffs a little bit.
Do some droning.
Hopefully get my drone out there and get some really good videos. All right, stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye. Here we are at the top of Benigil, something like that. Again, I'm doing bad with the spelling. Got some boats out there, taking tours, people all the way out to the little cave. It's actually pretty cool. We looked at it from the top down. It's not a really great view, but I did get some drone footage looking down towards it. But anyways, here we go, beach, where you get your boats out of, your kayaks. We're gonna try to do that. Stay tuned for more, maybe. We'll see.
Good morning, y'all. Today is day 4, and we actually have a gorgeous day today.
Look at that weather. Look at that. Look at that view.
So pretty. And then we're actually going to go kayaking today.
Yep, we're going to do kayaking. We're right out of this beach right here. This is Carvoeiro Beach, where we're staying, kind of up a ways, but we'll take a little kayak, check out the coves and the caves along the coast. Be fun. Looking forward to it.
See ya.
Bye.
Ciao.
All right, we're out in the boat, out in the kayak, enjoying ourselves. Tina's doing all the work. I'm chilling out in the back, telling her where to go. Exploring the coast a little bit.
Hi, everyone.
Wow, beautiful. Coming through the other side. Recommend kayaking along this coast. People are back there. They can't probably come in with their boat. They can at least sit out there.
Yeah, it's so beautiful here. Definitely highly recommended.
Look up there.
Coming out here. Look at that.
Up top. Looks cool.
Yeah. So pretty.
All right. More adventures. See you soon. Okay, so I'm gonna go do a little bit of a review. We're here at the Almareado restaurant. It's in Algarve, and we decided to have one of the cataplanas. It's like a fish bowl. It has all kinds of fish and shrimp, mussels, clams, and it looks really super good. Let me try some of the fish. Oh, that's nice and soft too. Oh, it's beautiful. Little mussels and little clams here. The sauce is kind of like a tomato tomato-based sauce, which is good.
Nice.
Oh yeah, you're gonna like this.
Influencer?
Oh yeah, looks great.
Tell all the buddies to come here.
Yep, I sure will.